Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to link your bank account to Cash App. Connecting your bank gives you the ability to add money to Cash App, cash out funds, and keep your account running smoothly. When you open Cash App, start from the home screen and head to your account settings. Inside the settings, there's a section for linked accounts and payment methods. This is where you can add your bank. You'll see the option to link a bank account directly. Once you select it, Cash App will ask you to enter your bank details, such as your account number and routing number. Some users also have the option to log in through their bank's online portal, which makes the process faster and more secure. After you provide the information, Cash App will connect with your bank. In some cases, the app may run a quick verification by sending small test deposits to your account. If that happens, you'll just confirm the amounts to complete the process. Once verified, your bank account is officially linked, and you can start moving money in or out of Cash App with ease. Having your bank connected ensures that you never get stuck when you need extra funds or want to cash out your balance instantly. It also helps if you're planning to use Cash App for direct deposit or regular transfers. So that's how you link your bank account to Cash App. Quick, simple, and important for making the most out of your account. Subscribe the channel for more videos.